my channel. So today's video is my Yesohyas unbagging video. And I just want to say, excuse my appearance. My eyes are really red because they're really itchy. I think I'm getting allergies. So my eyeliner would probably mess up or something or whatever. And I didn't do my hair because it is really cold and rainy outside. So I just didn't even bother with it. But I did just receive my Yesohyas bag, so I wanted to go ahead and unbag it for you. And sorry about all the noise in the background. My son is playing and loves to make a lot of noise when I'm trying to film. Say hi.
Hi. Hi, Mom.
Okay. So this month's theme is resting witch face, which is so cute. I love this skull. It's so cute. So the first thing that I pulled out is this Scony blending brush, which I have gotten Scony before. And this retails for $20. And you can never have enough blending brushes. And this feels really, really nice. So I'm excited to try that out. The next thing I got is by NCLA Los Angeles, and it's this hot pinky orange nail polish, and this retails for $18. And this is the color I've been drinking, which is so cute. I love this color, so can't wait to try that out. The next thing is by Mirabella, and this is the Lighten Up Charmed Visionary Eyeshadow. So I think, okay, so it's long wearing eyeshadow, and it just comes in like a little pot like this. Let me open it. So it's like, ooh, that feels cool. It's like putty, like, I don't know if you can see, but it's really, really squishy. Ooh, this would make a really good blush, actually. So that's cool, and that retails for $30. The next thing in the bag is by Stix, and it's a lipstick that retails for $20. And I've never heard of this brand. Are you in the box? Oh wow, that's cool. So that's what it looks like. I don't know if you can see it. So it says Stix Cosmetics right there. And oh man, I just messed it up. So you turn it up like that, and I messed it up on the thing, and then just put it down and close it again, and that retails for $20. So that's really cool, and that's a really pretty color. I'll go ahead and swatch it. So it's like a shared nude. That one right there. And the last thing in the bag is by IBY Beauty, and it's the City Limits palette. And this packaging is gorgeous, if you see that. So this is the packaging. And oh, those are pretty. So this is more like a cool tone palette, which I don't have a lot of. But this is so pretty. I'm loving this green shade. And this matte navy is really nice. And this shade looks really pretty. Let me see. Oh yeah. So it's like a taupey with like a purple shift. I don't know if you can see that. I'm gonna go ahead and swatch these for you. So these are the swatches. It's super buttery, like you barely touch it, and there's a lot of pigment. So I'm very excited to try this palette out. It is gorgeous. And this retails for $28. But yeah, so that's everything that I got in my Yesohyas bag, and the retail of it is $116. And I didn't say this in the beginning, but the Yesohyas retails for $14.99 plus shipping. So if you use the code YAS, Y-A-S, you get 10% off, and it'll automatically renew the 10% off. So you pay about $17 for this whole bag, which I think is worth it too. Some things I'm like, I'm really just trying this out. I still love my Boxycharm as always. That's my favorite subscription site, but they reached out to me, so I thought I'd go ahead and try them out. But yeah, so that concludes today's video. I hope you all enjoyed, and I will be doing a look with this palette soon. It's gorgeous. But yeah, I hope you all enjoyed. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video.